co-host along with Dean Ajit Rangnekar. It's my pleasure to thank each and everyone for making this event a fantastic success. Hope it was value add to everyone, and I hope you were able to. I hope we were able to connect you all together. You were able to grow as professionals, and your business will grow with this platform, and we will all be able to sustain our efforts and conquer the market. Hope you saw how I didn't use a single I in that. Now, on a serious note, Ajit is unable to be here because he had to suddenly go to Mumbai. So it's my pleasure to first of all invite the conveners on the stage, Aruna Reddy, Suresh Challa, and Bipin Chandra. Please give a huge round of applause for them. And as you know, any event like this cannot be conducted, and definitely not successfully, without leadership from folks like these. So I personally thank each and every one for doing fantastic job, and many of you may not know that they actually pulled it off in extremely short time, even though most people thought we probably could not do that in such a short time. So thanks a lot for doing that. I also like to thank a few people. Probably not everyone is here, but Srini Chandupatla and Raj Devi Reddy for co-chairing and leading the mentor shop, which took place on 26th, a whole day workshop. For Pawan Kumar Dua and Satya Srinivasulu for doing the same with the Investor Connect, which also took place on 26th. For Manohar Reddy, Pawan and also Abhiram for helping raise the sponsorship and the fantastic support that was provided here. For folks like Chitti Pantulu, Deepak, Dheeraj from ISB, for Shantanu, Akshay, Sarad and others for helping with the speakers, besides the conveners. For Abhiram, I guess even Rajinder Verma from ISB, Lokesh, Naveen, other TIE staff for the invaluable support. For the ISB media team, I'm not sure anybody is here, but Varsha, Sandeep and Preeti for proactively taking care of stuff. Then now I also want to thank some of our partners who really pulled it off in very short notice. Chris is over here, Mushraf and the entire Yellow Thursday team, Vikram and Deepak and the Mox team, Naidu and team from Mera Events, Prem and team from Rasta Films, and then last but not least, Abhiram again for amazing job in, I guess he's not even 3 weeks old into the job and he pulled it off. Thanks a lot. Fantastic job. I definitely want to thank the sponsors once again, though the MC did the honors, especially Government of Telangana and Department of IT and the IT Minister in particular, Mr. K.T. Ramarao Garu, and IT Secretary Harpreet Singh, UKTI and Deputy High Commissioner for UK, Andrew McAllister, Brand Capital, Wings Infonet, Lycos, Goldfish, Mobiz, Moritech, Prika, and Aditya. So thanks a lot to all of them. And last but not least, thanks to all the speakers and the investors who participated in this and to the delegates. Thanks a lot. One more announcement I just want to make. For some of you who probably picked up the flyers outside, TIE Global organizes its annual conference, which is called TIECon, and it takes place in Silicon Valley. It's a huge event. It's actually the largest convention of entrepreneurs in the world. More than 4,000 entrepreneurs actually, delegates really come to that, and that's, I don't think any other place in the world you have 4,000 entrepreneurs getting together. It's taking place on May 15th and 16th in Santa Clara Convention Center in California, and I'm actually told by the Department of IT, the Government of Telangana, that they are planning to join us in taking a delegation from Hyderabad, along where either the Chief Minister or the IT Minister are going to go along with a bunch of TIE members and other entrepreneurs. So I strongly encourage you all to consider taking advantage of phenomenal event. It's a huge networking, I mean obviously huge set of speakers, but a huge opportunity to connect with Sand Hill Road venture capitalists, for those of you who are exploring growth capital. And then last but not least, again, looking forward to many more partnerships with ISB. I just shared yesterday that we are planning to jointly start the special interest group on media and entertainment. So, looking forward to a lot more TIE events and joint events with ISB. Thanks a lot and have a great weekend.